Welcome to our mathematics class. Now I am going to teach the topic De Moivre's theorem video 3. Exercise 2a problems continuation. Roman number 2 first problem. Roman number 2 first problem. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation, x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Then for any small n belongs to capital N, show that alpha power n plus beta power n equal to 2 power n plus 1 into cos of n pi by 3. Cos of n pi by 3. Okay. Alpha, beta are the roots of the equation, this quadratic equation. First, proof. Given equation, datta samikaranam, x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. First we have to find the roots, moolam first kanukovali. For that, x equal to formula, we know that formula minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, that is minus of minus 2 plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 2 into 1. That equal to 2 plus r minus square root of 4 minus 60 by 2. 2 plus r minus 12 by 2. That is 2 plus r minus 12 into 12 can be 4 into 3 into minus 1 is I square by 2. That equal to 2 plus r minus root I square is I, root 4 is 2 into root 3 by 2. 2 common and cancel. 1 plus r minus I root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. So, roots are 1 plus r minus I root 3. Roots are 1 plus r minus I root 3. From this quadratic equation, roots are 1 plus r minus I root 3. Take one root is alpha and another root is beta. So, let us take alpha equal to 1 plus I root 3 and beta equal to 1 minus I root 3. Now, we have to find the values of alpha power n and beta power n separately and then adding these two. So, first find alpha power n. First, alpha equal to 1 plus I root 3. Change into modulus amplitude form or polar form. That is multiplying and dividing with, let it be x plus iy. Change into r into cos theta plus I sin theta form. ఈ ఫామ్ లోకి మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Here r equal to square root of x square plus y square. Square root of x value is 1, y value is root 3. So 1 plus 3 that equal to root of 1 plus 3 that equal to 2. So 1 plus I root 3, alpha equal to 1 plus I root 3, multiplying and dividing with 2. 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. Okay. This is right in box. Root 3 by 2. So that is 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is in cos. Change into cos. Cos 60 degrees. Cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Okay. This is alpha value is in r into cos theta plus I sin theta form. Okay. First find the roots. Let it be one is alpha and another one is beta. Alpha, beta are given in assumption. So alpha is first one and second one is beta. This alpha value change into polar form. That is r into cos theta plus I sin theta form. Here r is modulus root of x square plus y square. That value is 2. So multiplying and dividing with 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is cos pi by 3 plus root 3 by 2 sin pi. First write down. Okay. Alpha power n 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power n. That equal to 2 power n into applying De Moivre's theorem cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. Bracket lo from De Moivre's theorem. Okay, that is in the same way beta value. Similarly, beta power n equal to 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. Now take LHS. Alpha power n plus beta power n 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. Okay, so in both terms 2 power n is common term. Common తీసినట్లయితే right remaining values cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. So both imaginary parts are cancelled. So remaining two real parts cos angle plus cos angle 2 into cos angle, that is 2 into cos n pi by 3. This is 2 power n, this is 2 power 1. Bases are equal, so adding powers. So 2 power n plus 1 cos n pi by 3. This is RHS. This is RHS. Therefore, alpha power n plus beta power n equal to 2 power n plus 1 cos of n pi by 3. Okay, write down. Article 2.1.3, problem 2. If m, n are integers and x equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, y equal to cos beta plus I sin beta, then prove that x power m into y power n plus 1 by x power m into y power n equal to 2 cos m alpha plus n beta, 2 cos m alpha plus n beta and x power m into y power n minus 1 by x power m into y power n equal to 2I sin m alpha plus n beta. Okay, this is homework problem, notice problem. Now, in exercise Roman number 2, second problem. Roman number 2, second one. If cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0, that is also equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, then show that first bit cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma equal to 3 cos alpha plus beta plus gamma. Second bit sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma equal to 3 sin alpha plus beta plus gamma, and last third bit cos alpha plus beta plus cos beta plus gamma plus cos gamma plus alpha equal to 0. Okay, see the solution, proof. Let A equal to cis alpha, comma B equal to cis beta, comma C equal to cis gamma. Okay, that is A equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, B equal to cos beta plus I sin beta, C equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Assume these three values. assumption దత్తాంశం నుండి from assumption cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0, that is also equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Okay, so let it be 1. Now take a plus b plus c, adding these three values, that is cos alpha plus I sin alpha plus cos beta plus I sin beta plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma. So first write all real values, cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, then imaginary values. In all values I is common, so I into sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. From 1, this value cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma 0 plus I into 0, that equal to 0. Okay, therefore a plus b plus c equal to 0. ఇది మనకు వచ్చింది. Okay, assume a values is alpha, b values is beta, c values is gamma, and adding these three values, addition of a, b, c, a plus b plus c equal to 0. Write down first. So a plus b plus c equal to 0. We know that from previous classes, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, in place of a, write cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole cube plus cos beta plus I sin beta whole cube plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma whole cube into equal to 3 into a is cis alpha, b is cis beta, c is cis gamma. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha, it can be written as cis alpha, cis beta, cis gamma. Now applying De Moivre's theorem in LHS in each term. This is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, cos n theta, cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha. So for second term also applying De Moivre's theorem, cos 3 beta plus I sin 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma plus I sin 3 gamma. So ఈ మూడింటికి మనం De Moivre's theorem అప్లై చేసాం. That equal to 3 into this is cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 into cis theta 3. Cis theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. So applying that property, cis into alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, that is first write all real values in LHS. Cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma plus I into sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma. Okay, equal to 3 into this is right full form cos alpha plus beta plus gamma plus I sin alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, now equating both real and imaginary parts. Equating real and imaginary parts. Write down. Equating real and imaginary parts. First equating real parts. వాస్తవ భాగాలను ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తాం. సమానంగా చేసినట్లయితే cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma. This is real part in LHS, and in RHS real part is 3 cos alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is our required first bit. See this? Cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma equal to 3 cos alpha plus beta plus gamma. So first bit is completed. Now equating imaginary parts. ఇదే ఈక్వేషన్ లో equating imaginary కల్పిత భాగాలను పోల్చుతాం. So sin 3 alpha in LHS imaginary part is sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma. And in RHS, imaginary part is 3 sin alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, see this? This is our required second bit. Sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma equal to 3 sin alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, two bits are completed. Write down. Two bits are completed. Now third bit. Third bit is cos alpha plus beta plus cos beta plus gamma plus cos gamma plus alpha equal to 0. Okay. Third bit. That is A equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, B equal to cos beta plus I sin beta, and C equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma. 1 by A equal to 1 by cos alpha plus I sin alpha. That equal to, take minus cos alpha minus I sin alpha. 1 by B, 1 by cos beta plus I sin beta equal to cos beta minus I sin beta. Okay. In the same way, 1 by c, 1 by cos gamma plus I sin gamma equal to cos gamma minus I sin gamma. In third bit, 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. వీటిని యూస్ చేసుకొని మనం థర్డ్ బిట్ ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం. Today our class is completed. We'll meet in next